Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. This is a 5-passenger 4-door pickup in black, and under the hood you'll find a V6 riding on top of 16-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your front tow hook, fog lights and daytime running lights, turn signals on the side mirrors, and that aggressive hood scoop. But now why don't we hop inside this Tacoma and see what else it has to offer. Helping ourselves inside is our key fob right here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our panic button. Press the unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. Looking at the door. On the bottom you do have two cup holders. Above it are your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Here you have your black seating with that red stitching. And on the bottom are your manual seat adjuster levers and knobs. Now why don't we hop inside and start this Tacoma up. Let's take a look on the left side of the steering wheel first. These arrows right here will allow you to navigate through your entertainment display screen located in the center here. And right here you also have your voice recognition system and your hands-free calling. On the right side, this cluster will help you navigate through your multi-information display like so. And here are your Toyota safety sense buttons with your radar cruise control and lane departure assist, as well as cruise control right behind the wheel. Right now on our screen we got our little split screen home. If we press that map will enlarge. This Tacoma does have navigation. If we go ahead and press audio, you can see you have your standard AM and FM options, of course, as well as a choice between USB auxiliary and Bluetooth. Let's move down to our climate control system. It is a dual zone system, so you can adjust the temperatures on both sides. And above it you do have your driver and passenger heated seats, drivetrain selector, and heated mirrors. Down below are your USB and auxiliary ports, as well as your 12-volt outlet. Nice little storage space. Here is your 6-speed manual transmission shifter. Behind it, two cup holders, center console, lots of room in here. And now let's take a last look with the glove box. Lots of room in here as well. It does come with your owner's manual. But now why don't we close that right up. Now before we head to the cargo, let's take a quick look in the back. On the bottom you do have some nice little storage as well as cup holders. Continuing with the all-weather mats. These rear seats do go down. Right here you got this little tab. If you pull that, the bottom half will come up like so. Underneath it you do have storage. Just twist this and that'll open right up. And of course this is under both sides. And lastly, pull this tab up and the back will come down, and you also have some storage behind the seat as well. And they just go back in place like so. So to open up, all you gotta do is give this handle a gentle pull and that'll come down nice and slow for you. This Tacoma does come equipped with a bed liner. Also looking inside, you can see there's plenty of space, and on the side here you do have a nice little storage compartment. Just twist that and that goes out like so. And on top we do also have a tonneau cover. So to close up, just give this a gentle push. So taking a last look at our Toyota Tacoma, once again some of those great interior features include your heated seats, backup camera, and navigation. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.